Good morning! It's swimming day! Since I'm living in the Maldives, might as well make use of their amenities here. I have great access to beaches, public beaches for one, and we're going to one today. So in a public beach, I will show you what are the do's and don'ts, where can you go, and the best spot for me, which we often go to. So join us today as we go swimming, and I will show you the beautiful public beach here in Malé. Good morning! My chariot awaits in its red plastic bag glory. Hello friends! Yes, this is the parking lot. So Emil will try to squeeze in that small slot. You can do it! This is daily life struggles in Malé. You good? Okay, let's go. So we are now at Willingili Ferry Terminal. We are waiting for our friends to arrive. So we will take the boat from here. It will bring us to Willingili. We're here! This is Willingili Island. It's an island 5 minutes away from Malé. And the fare is only 3 rupiah 25 lari. So that's roughly around 10 pesos. Very affordable. This is our favorite spot to go if you want to go swimming. And I'll show you why later. So what I love about this island is that it's so quiet. You can't hear any vehicle noise, you know, because they only allow electric vehicles. So like that bike that you see, it's like a quiet bike. You won't hear anything. Wait, we'll pass by. See, it's so quiet. That's what I love about this island, and it's full of greenery and trees, unlike our beloved Malé. And our housemates are at the back. See, it's again quiet. So we're going to the beach area, and I'll show you later how beautiful it is. We are approaching the beach side, and you can find Divers Lodge here. This is where Emil took his open water course. Let's say hi to the people inside. Hi! Hi Fayaz! I'm vlogging. He is the dive instructor. So this is Divers Lodge. If you want to get certified for diving, you can come here. And Fayaz will be your instructor. Oh wow, there are lots of people because today is holiday. I hope there's still a table for us. We'll see. See, this is why I love this place. So close to nature. So for today, this is our spot. Ooh, there's trash. Yeah. We will have to make do because we don't have any other place to sit. And the master is already comfortable with a suspicious couch.
It's wet.
Oh, it's wet. Okay. Anyway, we will get wet later. Okay, I'll remove my mask now since we're at the beach. I will be giving you a tour of Vilangili Public Beach. I mean, this area where we are. This is just one of the 3 areas. The other one is near the ferry terminal, and then the other one is near the barbecue area. Can you swim there near the barbecue area?
No.
I know. Okay, so only one of 2. So I'll show you around. So first, of course, the trees, the greenery, and then the beach. It's so white sand and it's blue. Wait, I'll switch the view. See, today it's so calm. It's just like you're in the resort also. Like, you will have the same shoreline, the same sea when you go to the resort. The only thing that makes me sad is that one. They're building a port over there. Because Malay port is now congested, they have to make another port. So that's the only thing that makes me sad. Of course, it affects the nature in this area. So when you go to that deep blue, that's where you can dive already. Like the reef there is very beautiful. I mean, the last time we were there, it's very beautiful. But with the dredging going on, I'm not sure how it looks now. And if you get the chance to catch the fishermen in that area, they have the freshest catch. Okay, so like when you're here, you can go there and check if there are any fishermen selling, so you can get a taste of their fresh fish. And then here you can play beach volley. Then you can rent also those kayaks and paddle boat. And yeah, that's basically Vilangili Public Beach. This place is so vibrant. You will see different types of people. And here we are, divers getting ready for a dive. I wish I can join them. We have a secret but not so secret spot here in Vilangili. It's a jumping platform. Not everyone knows it. But for those who do, you know what I'm talking about. Let's go there. Oh wait. Oh, they closed it. Oh, so we can't go in there anymore. That's so sad. If you can see that one, that's where we jump to dive, but they already closed the place. Can't really read what it says. No entry without permission. So I guess we can't go there anymore. Oh no, that's so sad. Anyway, fail. Okay, here in Maldives, when they say it's a public beach, it means you can't wear bikini. So you can just wear a rash guard like this. Shout out to Scuba Pro and MA Services for my rash guard. And shorts is okay also, but bikini is a no-no. You can bring food like what we did. We have some pasta courtesy of my housemate for late breakfast. And you can eat here. Just make sure please to keep your trash, bring your trash with you, and don't leave it here because this is a very beautiful place and we don't want it to be littered. Okay, now Emil is already in the sea enjoying snorkeling, so I am very envious. I would like to follow now and go swimming. You can ask soap for your snorkel. You can ask from Divers Lodge. Sigma for the camera. If you'd like to live in Malé, if you'd like to work here in Maldives, in Malé especially, you will find Vilingili as a quick and beautiful escape. So yeah, I am happy. I just had the swim and all is good again with the world. So we will look like this going back to Malé. There is no changing room, none that I know. Is there?
No.
In the public beach. There is one in the ferry terminal. So if you'd like to change, then you can do it in the comfort room in the ferry terminal. But in the public beach, there is none. So, but it's okay. You can wear your wet clothes to the boat. No one will get angry at you. It's the usual practice here. Wet is okay. Wet is okay, love.
Wet is okay.
Wet is good. Wet is
better.
Okay, enough of innuendos. So that's our swimming day. We have to leave early because we have work after lunch. I mean, he has work after lunch. And I have to go with him. So, thank you guys for joining us today. We hope that you enjoyed our swim day. And we hope that we got you motivated to come and enjoy the beauty of the public beach here in Maldives. You don't have to spend so much, you know, to enjoy the beach, to go to the expensive resorts. You can enjoy the beach like for free. All you just have to pay is the $3.25 ferry fare going to Vilingili Island. Okay, thank you and see you again on my next vlog. Bye!